Okay, hi, I'm Jenna from Swidget, and I'm here to tell you a little bit about our products. So we have two base devices, one you've already heard about with the outlet, and we also have the new dimmable wall switch. And essentially these are base devices on their own. They are just a regular switch and outlet. But when you add an insert, is when you actually add the smart connectivity. So you can have Wi-Fi or Z-Wave connectivity, and then you can start to add all different types of functionality on top of that. So this one happens to be a temperature, humidity, and motion sensor. So you pop that in, and once it is in the outlet or the switch, it turns the outlet or switch into a smart switch or smart outlet. This one is a dimmable wall switch, so you can turn it on, turn it off through the rocker, or make it brighter, make it dimmer. And then you can also, brighter, dimmer there, turn it off. There you go. And then you can also have the control side of things. So you can control your switch and your outlet through your smartphone. If you've got the Wi-Fi one, you're going to do it through the Swidget app. If you've got the Z-Wave insert, then you're going to do it through your existing Z-Wave hub, which would be your smart things, your Habitat, Wink, Vera, whatever you might use. And then in addition to all those things, we've got the motion sensor here. So when you walk by, you can turn a lamp on, or walk by, turn your lights on. It could also become a sensor for the temperature and humidity, where you could learn what it is in each room, what the temperature and humidity is in a room, and then adjust your smart thermostat or whatever through your phone or IFTTT. We've also got a few new inserts to show you. So you've seen the guide light or the night light, the power outlet, emergency light, USB charger, and the basic Wi-Fi or Z-Wave control. But what we've got that's new is the video camera here. So it streams in 1080p. It's motion sense detected or motion sensing. And then it can stream straight to your phone or through an SD card, depending on what kind of security you would want, through the cloud or not. As I mentioned, that temperature, humidity, motion sensor is new to us as well. On this side, we've got an aromatherapy insert. So instead of having, a Glade or Sensi plug-in, you can release the essential oils right through your insert and control it all through your phone. This one here that you can actually hear now is a white noise speaker. So for me, I have little kids. We use the white noise speaker to keep them asleep at night. Everything works with Google Assistant and Alexa, as well as I mentioned I have TTT, so you can use your voice to do that as well.
Thank you for joining us here in Denver at the CEDIA Expo to check out all the latest smart home technology. You can find more information about the company we visited and their products in the information box below. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
And for more smart home stories, visit appmyhome.com.
Thank you.
Thank you.